Come on, Aaron, turn. What was I thinking? Ay-ya! Perfection. I suck at skateboarding. Even though I've been skateboarding for 32 years and I've had like 25 pro model boards, I still suck at skateboarding. And all the good skaters can do this one trick that's super rad. It's a backside 360 and they make it look so good. So today, I'm gonna try and learn that trick. Probably not gonna learn it, but let's try. But you know what? Actually, I shouldn't have said that. I shouldn't have said I'm not gonna learn it. Because you should always decide that you're gonna do it first. Because if you decide that you can't do it, why even try? Decide you can do it and then do it. Okay, backside 360. I see people do this and I think that the way that they do it is they do it sort of like a 360 pop shove while turning their body. I think that's the secret. I bet you somewhere there's a perfect video, a perfect tutorial video on how to do this that I should watch. Probably should have watched that before we tried this. So I'm gonna start out with a pop shove it. Okay, I'll take that. 360 pop shove it. Oh, that's terrifying. My old bones out here are scared of 3 shove. Okay, 3 shove. Yeah, see? And then a backside 180, I'm gonna do that. That was a horrible backside 180. Like an embarrassment of a backside 180. I wanna do this like Vinny Bond style. He's like, "Ay-ya!" Now I'm gonna do it the only way I've ever really done it, which is like complete cheater. And you guys can leave this in the comments below if it counts. In my personal opinion, it counts in a game of skate on defense, but not on offense. Okay. Right? Unless maybe on offense you said backside 360, but I'm pivoting half of it. Maybe that counts if you call it. I don't know, leave it in the comments below. It's up to you guys. Let's try. Yeah, and when I see people do this trick good, there's this interesting way that it works where their front foot is sort of off the board. Their back foot is on, but their front foot has lifted off the board, and they're just sort of spinning like that. And that's why I think to myself, they must be thinking about it like a 360 pop shove where they turn their body. It's gotta be, right? Like just a jump, 360 pop shove, like that, right? And they do it so effortlessly as well. I mean, I think that was better. I think I tore like 3 muscles in my shoulder just there doing that spin. Getting old sucks. I'm 42 and it sucks. I need to get Carl Watson here to teach me how to back 3. He's the goat of back 3. Over here at 1992, Carl Watson on the bricks. Perfection. Okay, I'm gonna try to do like a 270. I'm getting old. No, I'm not. I shouldn't say that. I'm not getting old. I'm not old. Like if I can do that and turn my upper body. Wait, I know what another gradient is. Backside big spin. Okay, how do I just do that with a 360? Dang it, it's hard. Why is it so hard? Like on a backside 180, I can think of it like I do an ollie, then turn. I don't have enough airtime to do an ollie and then turn 360 though. It's difficult. Okay, I don't even know what that was. Leave it in the comments below. It's like a backside 180 pivoted. I need to practice a bunch of backside 180s before I try this trick. What was I thinking? All right, whatever, let's do it. Dang it. Okay, I'm just gonna do a bunch the only way I know how. I don't know. Does that count or not? Leave it in the comments. Okay, Aaron, I barely did like 3 and I'm like already like dizzy and it's starting to get dark. We gotta land one, a good one. Come on, Aaron, turn. Oh wait, I realize all spins are from your upper body. If I really crank that hard and then pop like way late, maybe I can get it more in the air. Even if what I do is kind of like this, like 270 and pivot, I'll be happier. Let's try and get it there. I don't know what that was. Wow, I feel it getting better, I think. Wow. Closer. Give up? Give up, you said? What'd you say? You said I can't do it? That's it. That's it. Oh. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. Not exactly what I'm going for, not exactly what I'm trying to do, but getting closer, I think. So here's my big question to you guys. Would that count in a game of skate? If you saw that in a video part, would you be like, well, he didn't do that trick at all? How much pivot is okay? How much pivot is not okay? Is no pivot okay? What do you think? This is like a very esoteric idea. But skateboarding is fun. It's for you. It's for your own personal progression. You should get out there, learn to ride a skateboard, and I will personally teach you how to do every step of the way. Join the Braille Skateboarding Academy, and I will push you through all of the tricks that you want to learn how to do. We'll see you in there.